There you go.
Yeah, well, ice cream again.
No. I love ice cream.
Yeah, thanks. No. Sure.
Yes, my have to drop on the bed. So guys, just bed and come lay down. If you don't watch the family channel video, then you know some me buy ice cream and some honey roasted peanut for Jason, and we just eat it now.
You know what? You know something you can do.
What?
I'll make it a bit more special after you rub my chin. But yeah, you have to promise say I go do it. Because if you don't do it, I go video you and tell them say you don't do it.
What you want to do? Nah, set up myself. I mean, it's sad, so.
So
Alright, come.
can I come close? Closer. Alright. Put back your camera, make you see your face. We have to watch stand-up comedy together. 2 hours.
Oh, alright.
Wow.
Alright, but guys, I'm just trying my best to just cheer up Jason and just ensure that him not stay. Let me sit up. Hold on. But yeah, I'm talk to him. You know, I'm just try to make him stay by himself and make this whole thing consume him because I'm sad. You know, everybody's sad right now. Lovell's sad, Jody's sad, Jace is sad. And when Jace is sad, Jason is like a baby. Him just roll up in a one ball and all him need a comfort. Eat him comfort food and rub him chin or whatever the case is. But when I'm ice cream, guys, check out our family channel because by the time you see the video here, I think you guys probably get the family channel video. But I feel so clean and fresh right now, and Jason want to go watch some stand-up comedy. So I guess we have to go watch stand-up comedy.
Without you on your phone every 5 seconds.
Alright, deal.
I have to laugh with my
Wait, what if I not find it funny? What am I going to do?
I have to laugh with the man joke. I love them to say I fight it.
I hear one comb and wash and comb. So I have that for the but when you feel better.
Right now, exactly.
Yeah. But we ate something and I mean my belly full, so I could just lay down in the bed and just call it a day. It's just a sad time. Like it's really sad. I don't want to say much about it because I'm not been see what take place. But yeah, just send prayers. The best part is me just there and feel a little bit comfortable because I know no matter what she go through, she just always have a smile on her face and she's strong. Like she really strong, and I admire that about her a lot. No matter what. Yeah. I made breakfast. Well, it ended up be lunch for her today.
No, yeah, be lunch for her though.
Yeah, she not really eat enough. So I know that she would have that throughout the time. None of them have microwave there, but you can only visit one time because of the whole pandemic and stuff like that. So you can only visit one time. So you know how that go. But she have her stuff them for munch man if she want, and you know we just try our best to make sure out and nothing like whatever she want she get it. And you know everybody just do an awesome job. Lovell came, comb her hair, looks so good. Her face just look chirpy and nice regardless of what take place. And then Jason,
I know, but I look happier than me myself. I used to always wonder how she do it, even when we're there ice cream. I said, how the hell this woman do this?
she really strong, you know?
Jaja. I said, I can't lose her because of she. You and her are 2 battery pack them.
You know, so we'll have your back no matter what. So yeah, That's our current
So like, come
situation
in
right
when
now.
you come here, you can take your time, come here.
Babe, me always
And
take
make my ball.
me always take my time. It's just like your tender head, babe.
Yo, that's the biggest lie you ever tell on the flat.
Babe, your head tender.
Yeah,
Are
but
you
babe.
said that? Guys, just a head tender. No matter if me take me little time.
You
Alright.
don't want to surgery for me head?
No. Alright, so in mommy did that say something one time, so we have to hold the root and I do that.
Mommy do it on in the earth. But just because you name wife, and you feel like say me must take it come, you know you do it.
No, it's not like that.
And when me your bex, me just me your bex, me nobody slug in front of you know. Come here, go yet. You're not gonna do it here, you're gonna go so. Beep.
It's extra, guys.
What are your ear? Me can't, brother.
It's too extra. Me not, guys, me don't come just the ear out.
I just choose.
But I mean, we have to just there and put a smile on our face. So that's how I go on. When you hear Jesse ask me, when you looking at this, Jesse said, babe, you give me one container ice cream. The whole of the ice cream, I said, Jesse eat off it.
Yeah, did you want
Plus, the other day, I buy chocolate cake for him. I go insert that clip there. Guys, it was so good. I am not a big fan of chocolate. Like, I don't know why. But it was so good. So, just give him comfort food, them and stuff. Tomorrow morning, I wake up and make some cucumber juice. And some, I don't know, I'm going to mix up some whole heap of fruit what I have. In the freezer, I have pineapple. I have cucumber and I have ginger. I guess the two of them can go good. Well, I guess of them they alone I have apple, but me not like, guys, the last time I have pineapple, me gonna make pineapple and apple, that's the red apple. For with apple out here and it take with the flavor like babe, you know come home come get none. Me could drink it, never tastes good. It is just in our fridge. You just probably never realized because it is in a different container. But the apple just take with the flavor. I don't like me dislike it, but I don't know. Apple just not give me that nice taste there for juice. Just for what stand-up comedy. Guys, I just giving an update to make you know what take place because we're promising to say we're not going to be inconsistent again. So you know we have to make you know every little thing because we're family over here. So you're going to eat your peanut now. You need some water. You need to carry some water. But
this one got lined up first. I continue to make you rub me for one whole day.
I love comfort. When you're not running friends, them only thing you need are just them nipple buckle.
You know, so you need to stop telling people
babe,
that.
you know I'm a lie. Babe, the only thing I need is your nipple buckle. You know this. Alright, I love comfort.
I need nipple buckle because I have one bigger and already. Two big one to add that.
Other than that. Just sweet.
Yeah, I love me a big semester.
Why? Tell them why. You can share with them. Maybe go ahead
No, man,
to share.
everything good, man.
No, man, talk.
Everything good, man. You know everything go, man. You know you just did in your feelings.
Never in my feelings, babe.
I did in my feelings.
You. Both of we did have a point, but we should have never go off fire because me understand the situation. But babe, me did just have to. I know.
Just have to what?
But my emotion get the best of me yesterday, I guess.
Okay.
But at the same time, I had a point as well. So everybody would think, say, we just, babe, why people feel like we just got through the days, them, and we just not argue, we not have no disagreement.
No,
and it's not like we even paint that picture on the internet. We are literally, we want to get, so we live in a real life. No. But when I go through me especially, me and Jason arguments them petty other than we really see them like we argument them petty. Like Jason, for one, I have hand soap in the bathroom. And I know it's soap hard to clean out a bathroom, like especially if I rinse it out, it's gonna leave stain.
Yeah, make people hear your customer.
Yes.
They hear the little simple thing.
Because of them stuff that we drive you crazy.
Alright, continue.
Jason, now we don't use the hand soap and use the bar soap, the liquid soap. Let me say it better. Some have a liquid soap as hand soap because hand soap can be bar soap.
Yeah, babe.
Just we use the bar soap, and then guess what? When the water no come out quick out of the sink, then it's the stain with the whole of the soap right. So the soap scum, and that's annoying, especially when it dry. Not to mention, Jason, when in bed, Jason dry him neck, him back, everywhere properly. You see, Jason foot them can't dry. Jason nah dry him foot them.
Why did I tell people like, but come now put my rag back on my foot?
Wait, no. In other cases, it's different. I don't use my rug.
So you talk so loud like when you cuss me?
No, cause
Oh man,
baby,
I feel a little like you're pickish me right now. Yeah, no, I don't appreciate it.
stop it.
You touch your nerves.
No, me understand when you come into rug situation. Me not use my rug certain place like on my private area. Me not use my rug none at all. So if it was a case of me use my rug in a them place there, would I say alright then? Me not go use it on my foot, but that I don't know Jason's case. So them there are our little arguments. When him wash the plate, them him hand flash all over the place. Me hate the water droplet left back in the sink, but you know, me just learn to not live with it. Cause them something enough really circle for you to make them know, because I know just a thing where yes, oh man, make him stay. No. You have man out there who really do the right thing. But me not live with it, but me just learn to just be patient, just take my time with him, because me have my ways them. Enough time me hear just walk back at me, I turn off all the water heater, me leave it on.
Things you do, me just fix it,
Yeah,
but you have to call my attention every time.
But babe, we have to call each other's attention so we can do the right thing the next time.
And that's how you do it, man. Yo.
So I have my ways them too, guys. I feel like me live in the house and me are just the perfect being. No. I have my ways, and we come and we turn off the light for me, and you know, we walk back at each other, but we walk back at him more.
Oh, so that's why you are going so? Because you walk back at me more?
Yeah.
That don't mean nothing here. I just love how your hair look bouncy. I know.
And
I
guys,
don't know if I right think that? I right explanation?
yeah, the twist them just look juicy and fat.
Yeah, I know make you look like a little baby every time you do your hair, so. That's why I love you. You have me soft, weak, like 14 days, 2 weeks.
That makes sense. Babe, where you learning? Babe, every time I hear you come with something new, where you get them there from?
Tell us, saying that this relationship.
Who you tell them there?
We're doing it for the long run, babe.
Alright.
Meaning say all of my style them and never gonna get them.
Okay,
Next
babe.
20 years till I get old
I
style.
love the one there. Just love when my ear look like this. Like the braid, him not have a problem with my ear braid and stuff like that. But him just love my natural hair. I love it. But it's hard to manage. I just hate feel when the braid them up pull pan him at night time. But I not have no choice. Like even then me twist it. Look on this one, me pull up here so now. When me twist it up and stuff, me have to just end up. It just pull up. And I love when my ear feel clean. Anytime my ear want to wash it, my face just bump up on something. But it clean now and it feel good. And for everybody I ask about my piercing, yes, it have one swelling underneath it. Me see somebody comment and said the small ring did look better. I'm like, bro, it can't swell up that bad. Me never did answer because I say, them not understand. Them probably just think I want bigger nose ring I have in there. But yeah, me I work on it though. I have tea tree oil, me I use salt water, and me have apple cider vinegar. So I have 1 or 2 stuff on it. Right now it dry up. So I just work on it really. But yeah, when I post it on my story and on Instagram, somebody tell me some if ensure some salt water not too salty. I'm like, what? Your salt water not too salty? And they must say because of the ring were in there, because one chemical reaction and with the salt, and it's understandable. Anyways, I'm gonna just throw up that video here like how it is. I'm not even gonna edit it. Just wanting to just see what we are going through right now and just give you guys an update. Daddy Pop. baby wake up in one big happy family. Me, we're happy now, but just imagine the happiness one baby would have bring right now. Especially we were so loving. We baby I got tired of love.
So ready to watch a stand-up comedy.
No. Just can't wait until my wedding day.
You know, say I go ball. Babe, do not tell me that.
I don't think so. That me said me not think.
Babe, don't say nothing. Babe, you're gonna ball so hard.
And I cry, mega cry, mega ball.
Babe, trust me.
A joke, me think I go cry, but it's gonna be like tears of joy. Well, what could that be?
Babe, you're gonna holla balloon.
I don't think me
Babe, imagine me already know my wedding day ago. Imagine that.
Luckily, well, I'm not telling you that. I don't want to give it too much. I just have this weird feeling in my belly, like, you know, through this that happened, I just feel diarrhea-ish. TMI. I don't have it, but I just having that feeling. You know? I'm gonna end off the video now, guys. Bye, guys. I love you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100k, like it's right around the corner.
I tell you, so say with the plaque.
Yo, I never regret the day when you just push me
To the YouTube.
guys, bye. Come on, just about this later.